Jerry, and all the Jesuit brothers. In the name of the Salesian congregation, and especially all the Salesians, the Salesian family of St. John Paul II, Province Shillong, and the young people, I would like to express my deepest condolences to you, Reverend Father Jerry Kutina, the Provincial Superior of Jamshedpur, Jesuit Province, to all our Jesuit brothers, the members of the Society of Jesus, the family members and friends of Fr Stan, on the sad demise of Reverend Fr Stan Swamy SJ on 5th July 2021. We express our closeness to all of you, the people for whom he worked and for whom he stood with his life for their rights and justice. He gave his life for God, the Church, and for the people of God, especially the downtrodden, and in particular the Adivasis, the Dalits, and the other marginalized communities. He fought for the dignity of human life and for justice. We join you in thanking the Lord for the life and ministry that was the Lord's gift to us for the past many decades through our beloved Fr Stan Swamy. He is in heaven. He will definitely intercede for all of us, for the whole country in India, for the Church, and in a very special way, the Adivasis, the Dalits, and the other marginalized communities. May his soul, through the mercy of God, rest in his peace. Yours in Jesus Christ, Fr Paul Lyngkot Sdb, Salesian Provincial, Shillong. Thank you.